Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about health and medicine in a very simple way. Tadalafil is a medicine used for male sexual problems like erectile dysfunction or ED. It is also used for people who have an enlarged prostate. We call it BPH. Tadalafil belongs to a class of drugs called PDE5 inhibitors. How does tadalafil work? When a man gets sexually excited, the body releases a chemical called nitric oxide. This helps to relax the blood vessels and increase blood flow in the penis. But an enzyme called PDE5 blocks this process. Tadalafil blocks that enzyme and allows natural erection to happen more effectively. When and how long does it work? It starts to work in 30 to 60 minutes and the effect can last up to 36 hours. That's why it is sometimes called the weekend pill. Tadalafil comes in 5, 10 and 20 milligram tablets. Always take it as per your doctor's advice. Don't take more than one dose in the day. Some common side effects are headache, back pain, gas or indigestion.